You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
Hello and welcome to Lab 7, Creating Teams in Jira Service Management. The previous lab, which is lab number 6, it was about creating groups in Jira Service Management. In this lab, which is lab number 7, we are going to create teams in Jira Service Management. For that, we need to log in into home.atlassian. As you can see, I have already logged into home.atlassian. Let's click on Jira Service Management. On top right corner, we are going to click on Settings, and then we are going to click on User Management, which is under Atlassian Admin Settings. User Management. Under Directory, we have Teams. We'll click on Teams. Okay. Now, top right corner, we have Create Team. Okay. Name we are going to give as NetSoft IT Infrastructure Team. And user that we are going to select is Bill Walsh. And then we are going to click on Create. Okay. On administration page that you see, again we are going to click on Teams. As you can see over here, we have one team created. Create team, and this time we are going to give yes. So before that, let's click on NetSoft Infrastructure Team, and here yes, we are going to provide a description. Okay, let's provide the description. Click on this pencil icon. Click on Save. On NetSoft Infrastructure page, review all the details and see if we can see one member, Bill Walsh. Okay. Now, let's move ahead and perform next step, which is to add a service account. On the same page itself, we'll click on Service Accounts. You click on Service Account. And then we are going to click on Create a Service Account. We'll name it as NetSoft IT Service Account with a description, Service Account used for IT system operations and integrations. And then we'll click on Next. Over here, next to Jira Service Management, from drop down, we are going to select User Access Admin, and Jira Administration, we are going to select App Admin. Okay, so now this is about service account. App Admin, after App Admin, then we are going to click on Add Groups, and we are going to search for Service Desk. Select Service Desk, and we are going to click on Create. So here if you see, we have service account name, description is there, we have group, which group we have added. Okay, now if I click on app, I have all this access granted. Let's click on group again, we have this group added. All the details we have reviewed. With this, we have completed lab number 7. In lab number 7, we did a creation of team. Once we created the team, the second task was about adding a new service account or creating a new service account. With this, we have completed lab number 7. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.